Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom Discord server as well as join other available servers on the internet. So first up is to open Discord and log in, and once you're logged in you should see this home page, also the friends page. Right below that at the left side under direct messages you have add a server and discover. So for servers you'll mostly be looking at this left-hand bar, and this is where everything should be displayed. So for example, we want to discover a server, and then let's say we want to join a gaming community, specifically something focused around Minecraft. Let's go ahead and type in Minecraft, and here we go. We have the official Discord with a verified checkmark, as well as some community servers. So let's go ahead and click on the official Discord, and let's click on join. And once here, usually official servers will have their own onboarding page. And let's just quickly go ahead and select any options that apply. So I'd like game announcements, just game announcements, and skip. What game announcements would you like to see? English, there we go. Then some server rules, and finish. And we are now part of the official Minecraft Discord server. If you look at the right side, you can see the members that are online. And here in the left side, before the handbar, you see the available text channels and voice channels. So here are the voice channels, and here are the text channels. Now, let's say you want to create your own custom server for you and your friends. Let's go ahead and click on this add a server button. Then let's click on create my own, and then let's click on for me and my friends. I'll be leaving these the default for now, but you can always customize them later on. And let's click create. So now I have my own server right now, very small, very minimalistic, and very bare bones is the word I was looking for. My own bare bones server that I can invite my friends to. And to do so, all we have to do is click on this invite to server button at the top left, and it generates us a link. So you can also set this link to never expire if you'd like, and you can forward this link to your friends through other messaging platforms or through Discord itself. So that was how to join a server through the Discover tab, as well as how to create your own custom server. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.